Welcome aboard Moneypenny from NYA Private Charter. Here we have Moneypenny, our 42 Elegance from Haines Marine. As you can see, she has fantastic multi-level access from the transom and bathing platform up onto a very spacious and high-level flybridge deck. The flybridge deck is very secure with locking gate at the rear, and as you can see, there is ample seating for all 6 passengers on board and a very central and clear helm position. Whilst driving Moneypenny from the flybridge, your views are panoramic and also excellent for mooring up. You have clear vision 360 around the boat. Access back down into the cabin is via the sliding door and staircase into the saloon. With the large folding table aboard, you'll be able to enjoy dining and drinking out in the sunshine with fantastic views, whilst the helm is protected by a bimini sunshade for those really hot days. You also have access to a wet bar and drinks fridge. Moving around the boat is done safely with the abundance of grab rails as you move from aft to the foredeck along the full length of the coach roof. Stepping down into the saloon on Moneypenny from the port side deck via the sliding side door. Generous seating for up to 6 people. Moneypenny will sleep up to 6 in 3 cabins. Moving forward down into the galley, she is equipped with a really good sized fridge and freezer, also electric kettle and toaster, double sink and gas oven and hob. Into the forward cabin you have your V berth, which does convert to a double bed should it be required, and there is storage beneath the berths and in wardrobes either side. The forward cabin does have an ensuite wet room. Generous floor space and shower overhead. Stairs up onto the flybridge for another sliding door, and then down into the companionway to the first of our double cabins. Each cabin is fitted with a flat screen TV and DVD player, hanging wardrobe, and then to the master cabin at the rear you have a very good sized island double berth, plenty of storage as you go around the cabin, and then access into the ensuite, which has a separate shower cubicle. This is also serving as day heads with access from the companionway for the mid cabin. Moving back into the saloon, so you have your helm position to the port side, which gives a good clear view ahead should the weather not be so pleasant. We do also have a reversing camera which can be used should you need to moor from the internal helm position if you cannot do so from the flybridge. Lovely bright saloon this, even on a dull day. Drinks, glass cabinet and sideboard. Nice sunroof over and up above, allowing air and light into the cabin.